Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. Earlier we had talked about the concept of hazard, disaster and vulnerability. And today we are going to discuss about the natural disasters. And today we are specifically going to discuss about the floods and flash floods. Alright, then let's start with a brief introduction. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें. सो चलिए, जो फ्लड्स हैं, you may know these are among the most frequent and destructive natural disasters in the world. And जो floods हैं, these floods happen जब water जो है that overflows and that submerges the land that is normally dry. And जो floods हैं, these floods occur due to the heavy rainfall, river overflow, storm surges, snow melt, or failure of dams and embankments. Although जो floods हैं they mainly involve excessive water and they differ in their speed, duration, causes and their level of destruction. And based on their nature and speed of occurrence, जो floods हैं इनको mainly classify किया जाता है into general floods and flash floods. First of all, talking about the general floods, or we can say river and coastal floods. जो general floods हैं, these floods develop slowly over the time, which lasts for several days or weeks. Because of their gradual onset, जो people हैं in floody areas, they receive early warning, which allow people to evacuate and to be prepared. And ये जो floods है, these floods mainly affected the river basins, floodplains and also the coastal regions. और जो main causes हैं general floods के that are prolonged rainfall. Like अगर rainfall जो होता है वो continuously होता है over a long period of time, that basically saturates the soil, which reduces the soil's ability to absorb water. And जो rivers, lakes या जो reservoirs है, they overflow in their banks. Like for example, अगर हम monsoon floods की बात करें in Ganga and Brahmaputra plains. Similarly, snow melt जो है is also one of the major cause of general floods. Like during spring season, rapid melting जो है of snow that occur, especially when combined with the rainfall, and it ultimately adds large volumes of water to the rivers, which causes the fluvial floods. Like for example, अगर हम floods की बात करें in Himalayan rivers during the summer period. Third जो है cause of a general flood, that is storm surges. Like in coastal areas, जो cyclones या जो strong winds है, they push sea water inland, which leads to coastal inundation. Like for example, जो floods है during cyclones in Odisha and West Bengal. So these are examples of storm surges. Similarly, ice jams जो है it's also one of the major cause of general floods. Like in cold regions, जो floating ice होता है that blocks the obstruct river flow, और जो water होता है that accumulates behind the blockage, and जो floods हैं that upstream the areas. ठीक है. Now talking about the consequences of general floods. There are various consequences of general floods, including the economic loss. Like जो floods हैं, they mainly damage to the roads, bridges, railways and power lines, and they also destruct homes, industries and public infrastructure, and which ultimately leads to the heavy financial burden on governments and communities. Then agricultural damage, like due to the floods जो crops होते हैं they rot due to the prolonged submerge, and that also leads to the loss of stored grain and livestock, and long term food shortage जो है that also happen, and जो farmers हैं they feel indebtedness. Similarly, health hazard जो है it is also a consequence of general floods. Like जो stagnant water है that promotes mosquito breeding, which further leads to the spread of mosquito-borne disease. Similarly, spread of water-borne diseases जो है that is also a health hazard such as cholera, typhoid and dysentery. या जो contamination है drinking water sources का that also happen. So these are some health hazards. Now talking about the flash floods that we also call as the silent killers. जो बेसिक डेफिनेशन है फ्लैश फ्लड की दैट इज़ कि जो फ्लैश फ्लड्स हैं ये सडन होते हैं, दे आर वेरी वायलेंट फ्लड्स जो कि डेवलप होते हैं विद इन ए मिनट्स अप टू 6 आवर्स ड्यू टू दिस इंटेंस रेनफॉल और अदर ट्रिगरिंग इवेंट. और ये जो फ्लड्स हैं ये हमें एक्सट्रीमली डेंजरस देखने को मिलते हैं ड्यू टू देयर स्पीड, फोर्स एंड द लैक ऑफ वार्निंग. एंड जो मेन काजेस है फ्लड्स के दैट आर एज आई मैंशनड इंटेंस रेनफॉल और क्लाउड बर्स्ट्स, लाइक जो शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन बट एक्सट्रीमली हैवी रेनफॉल जो है दैट ओवरवेलम द ड्रेनेज कैपेसिटी ऑफ पर्टिकुलर एरिया. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द क्लाउड बर्स्ट्स इन उत्तराखंड एंड हिमाचल रीजन्स. सिमिलरली डैम और लेवी फेलियर, लाइक जो सडन कोलैप्स होता है डैम्स का या एम्बार्कमेंट का दैट रिलीजेस वास्ट अमाउंट्स ऑफ वाटर डाउन स्ट्रीम. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द मेन कॉज ऑफ द फ्लैश फ्लड्स. सिमिलरली अर्बनाइजेशन, लाइक जो cities होती हैं which have large impermeable surfaces like concrete and asphalt. So जो rain water है due to such impermeable surfaces जो rain water है that cannot infiltrate the soil. So instead जो rain water है that rushes into the drains that quickly overflow. So due to which जो floods हैं flash floods हैं that occur. Like for example if we talk about urban flooding in Mumbai, Chennai and Bengaluru. Similarly if we talk about similarly topography जो है it's also one of the major cause of flash floods. Like if we talk about the mountainous and hilly regions, जो water funnels हैं they rapidly flow into the narrow valleys and channels which turn small streams into the powerful torrents. ठीक है. Now talking about the consequences of flash floods, there are various consequences of flash floods like high fatality rates, like जो fatality है that occurs due to the sufficient warning system. और जो people होते हैं जो इंडिविजुअल्स होते हैं दे ट्रैप इनटू द व्हीकल्स और बिल्डिंग्स एंड जस्ट 50 to 30 सेंटीमीटर ऑफ फास्ट मूविंग वाटर जो है दैट कैन स्वीप अवे व्हीकल्स. Similarly, massive sedimentation and destruction जो है is also one of the major impact of flash floods. Like जो flash floods है they carry rocks, trees and debris and this जो massive sedimentation है this ultimately act like a battering rams which destroy the buildings and bridges. Similarly, debris overflow and mudslides जो है like in wildfire affected and deforested areas जो water है that mix with the loose soil and ash which form the deadly mud flows. ठीक है. Now let's also talk about some remedies and mitigation strategies. लाइक फ्लड मैनेजमेंट जो है इसके लिए ज़रूरत पड़ती है कम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्ट्रक्चरल एंड नॉन स्ट्रक्चरल मेजर्स की अलॉन्ग विद द पब्लिक अवेयरनेस. लाइक इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चरल मेजर्स दीज इंक्लूड द लेवीज एंड फ्लड वॉल्स. लाइक जो आर्टिफिशियल एम्बार्कमेंट्स हैं दे शुड बी बिल्ट अराउंड द रिवर बैंक्स जो कि प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं ओवरफ्लो ऑफ द वाटर. सिमिलरली रिटेंशन पॉन्ड्स एंड डिटेंशन बेसिन्स, लाइक जो urban water storage areas that temporarily hold excess runoff and they should be constructed so that they can release water slowly. Similarly, dams and reservoirs जो है they should be built at very large scale in their structures that will regulate the river flow, that will store the flood water and that will also reduce the peak discharge. ठीक है. Now talking about the non-structural measures which include early warning system. लाइक वेदर फोरकास्टिंग जो है दैट शुड बी डन. राडार सिस्टम या जो रिवर गैग्स जो है दैट शुड बी बिल्ड सो दैट दे कैन प्रोवाइड अर्ली वार्निंग सिस्टम एंड दे कैन अलर्ट पीपल सच एज फ्लड वॉच एंड फ्लैश फ्लड वार्निंग दैट विल अल्टीमेटली सेव द लाइव्स. सिमिलरली Flood plain zoning, like we should restrict construction in high risk flood areas in order to reduce the exposure and loss. Similarly, reforestation जो है that should be done, like जो trees हैं they increase the soil infiltration, they will ultimately reduce the runoff and they will also stabilize the river banks. ठीक. Third, then personal safety measures, turn around on don't travel. Like जो पब्लिक एजुकेशन है, ये हमें मोस्ट इफेक्टिव डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म देखने को मिलता है, स्पेशली अगेंस्ट द फ्लैश फ्लड्स. एंड जो की मेजर सेफ्टी रूल्स हैं दैट और लाइक नेवर वॉक और ड्राइव थ्रू फ्लड वाटर्स, एंड जो वाटर डेप्थ एंड जो स्पीड होती है फ्लड्स की, that is very deceptive, and most flood related deaths जो हैं that also occur in the vehicles. So personal safety measures जो है that also became important, so that also aware people regarding the impacts of such flash floods. So at conclusion we had learned that कि जो floods हैं through natural phenomena, they became disasters due to the human vulnerability, poor planning, and due to the environmental degradation. While जो general floods हैं they cause long term economic and agricultural damage, and जो flash floods हैं they are especially deadly due to their sudden nature. And effective flood management जो है that requires scientific planning, sustainable land use, ecosystem protection, early warning systems, and also the public awareness. So by combining technology, policy, and community participation, जो devastating impacts हैं floods के उनको reduce किया जा सकता है. So guys, that is it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.